This farmer from Washiv, Maharashtra wore a banner around his neck announcing his decision to offer his organs for sale to repay loans. The sign read, "Buy the organs of farmers and listed prices for different body parts. Kidney for rupees 75,000, liver for rupees 90,000 and eyes for rupees 25,000. This unusual protest by Satish Idole, a small-scale farmer, quickly caught the attention of passers-by, sparking both concern and outrage.
मेरी पत्नी की किडनी 40,000 में, मेरे लड़के की किडनी 20,000 में और मेरे छोटे लड़के की किडनी 10,000 में लीजिए और मेरा कर्जा मेरे कर्जे से मुक्त कीजिए।
Idole's drastic step was an act of defiance to the Devendra Fadnavis-led NDA government in Maharashtra, which had promised to waive farmer loans before elections. However, farmers are now being asked to pay the loans themselves. A small-scale farmer with only 2 acres of land, Idole had a loan of approximately rupees 1 lakh from Maharashtra Bank. His protest came after Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar on 29 March categorically stated that the government would not waive farm loans and that farmers must take responsibility for repaying their debts.
31 तारखेच्या आत आपापले पैसे भरा पीक कर्जाचे.
He also stated that promises made during elections don't always translate into actions.
हम कर्जा भरेंगे कहाँ से? बेचने को कुछ भी नहीं रहा।
Idole had also sent a written plea to Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis through the District Collector's office, reminding him of government's pre-election commitment to waive farmer loans. In his letter, he stated that he had no means to repay his debt and that apart from suicide, he saw no other way out of his predicament.